I'm extremely happy to share with you a revolutionary development. Now, if you haven't seen What is Tahion video, I highly recommend that you take a look at it first because it's a precursor to what we're going to talk about today. Today, I want to share with you the understanding behind the ultra discs. Now, I actually became aware of a strange phenomena in the mid-90s, and I began employing different methods into the holistic wellness workshops to take advantage of this phenomena. Now, slowly this phenomena, commonly referred to as bouncing, developed into a full-on research project for me. And what I found has changed everything from what I use on my body to even what I recommend in workshops and courses. Well, let me start at the beginning. In our scientific world, a frontier scientist like myself often finds their toes hanging over the scientific world's perceived reality. That's okay. It's our job to help others expand their reality and embrace what has previously been maybe unimaginable. As for tachyons, the general perception had been that they are the form of the formless zero-point field, existing beyond light speeds. Also, it has been proven that the subtle organizing energy field that holds forms together interacts with tachyons. Now, all this is what the frontier scientists' understandings were. Beyond this, there simply existed no further idea or even theories. Because of this phenomena I was seeing with tachionized materials, I felt it was time to step a little further into the frontier of what is. I postulated the answer to the previously unasked question, and that is, what happens if two tachyons collide? The event I'd been studying held the answer. As two tachyons collide, a new phenomena can be experienced. Since it has never before been talked about, there's no language to describe it. So I will attempt to add nomenclature that will assist our understanding. As two tachyons collide, a new field of energy momentarily occurs. Right now I call it the neo field, fresh start, new beginning. In order to create a large neo field for use on biological systems, I simply take two tachionized silica discs of any size and place the energy outsides together. And as this is done, the massive flow of tachyons begins to collide and the neo field is continually perpetuated. The effects have been scrutinized since 2007, and the results in both clinical and workshop forums have been no less than amazing. We call this new disc the Ultras, and I can say that the Ultras are by far the most powerful tool I have ever seen in balancing the physical, mental, and emotional bodies. The outcome is so profound that I have even developed new therapies around the use of the neo field and ultra discs. These offer the purest potential of clearing the individual pain body. Now, here are what some of my students had to say about the ultras when they tested the ultra disc themselves.
Dnešná terapia bola kratšia v porovnaní s ostatnými, ale bola oveľa intenzívnejšia. Myslím si, že to bolo spôsobené práve tými ultradiskami a preto aj to prežitie, ten zážitok, niečo to dokázalo spustiť, že to spustilo.
Aujourd'hui, on appelle les ultradisques ont été déposés. J'ai senti dès l'application des tels cibars une énorme énergie et une chaleur qui irradiait autour des points qui étaient traités. La chose la plus agréable a été que je n'ai plus ressenti de douleur à la fin du traitement, mais que j'avais une lumière, une qualité de lumière qui passait par les yeux et que j'ai encore aujourd'hui, maintenant, qui est extraordinaire, qui est une perception de l'extérieur du monde extrêmement fine et extrêmement pure. Et je ressens aussi cette finesse et cette pureté à l'intérieur de mon être émotionnel et également mental.
Prodělal jsem teda jakože terapii na břicho. Bylo nám je přiloženo zhruba 20 těch malých ultradisků. No a pak jsem si uvědomil, jakmile to na mě začali dávat, že začínám být dýchavičný. A pak přišlo uvolnění takovým způsobem, že potom zametání při těch posledních tazích jsem vlastně měl pocit, že vlastně ani dýchat nemusím.
U ultradisku jsem cítila se uvolněnější, bylo to jemnější a rychlejší. Ku podivu rychlejší. Rychlejší ústup potíží a cítím se spokojeně.
Když jsem měl na sobě ty ultradisky, bylo to tak silný, že jsem to nechápal. Nikdy se mi to nestalo. Nic jsem nic takového nezažil nikdy.
Bolo fantastické, že ešte ani neboli celkom nalepené na celom priestore, ktorý bol zmapovaný a už došla bifurkácia. Iba zosilnená rieka života, začanie niekoľko nalepených maličkých mikrodiskov na jednotlivých bodov a už nastala bifurkácia. To je pre mňa zážitok.
And now today I had a treatment with the ultra discs. And I'm happy. It's very fast and very efficient. Yeah, it's straight to the point for me.
Ultra discs, for all the researchers that have tested them, have become irreplaceable. An example of a practitioner who normally used flex cells during their therapies reported that the differences were so profound that they would only use the ultra discs from this point forward.
V minulom roku mi bola diagnostikovaná choroba neuroboreliózis, čiže som nemohla chodiť. Teraz som prišla na kurz a David Wagner mi požičal pás s ultradiskami. Keď som si ho nasadila na seba, som pocítila okamžitý, proste veľmi mohutný prílev energie.
A ja ju teraz môžem zdvihnúť, môžete ma dať aj do televízie, nech sa páči.
I invite you to test ultras at home. Now, it's easy to do. If you have 2 silica discs or microdiscs of the same size, simply use a cell dot, put it on one, to stick the 2 of them together, and voila, you have just created an ultra. Now, make sure that the energy is going towards each other so that it collides in the middle. What you want to do next is use it on pain, or for meditation, or charging your fruits, or whatever you want, and experience the difference. To see all the ultra products available today, simply go to your order entry part of the website and in the search area, type in Ultra, U-L-T-R-A, and start changing your life today.